Climbing the food chain, a journey in English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's widely used in both professional and casual conversations: up the food chain. This expression has roots in biology but has been adapted into everyday language to convey a powerful concept. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned to enhance your English vocabulary and understanding. In biology, the food chain represents a series of organisms, each dependent on the next as a source of food. At the bottom are plants, which are eaten by small animals, which in turn are eaten by larger animals. When we say someone is moving up the food chain, we're borrowing this idea to talk about increasing one's position, influence, or status in a hierarchical system. This could be within a company, a social circle, or any system where there are levels of power or importance. Using up the food chain in sentences is straightforward. It's often used to describe career advancement, gaining more influence in a social group, or becoming more dominant in any competitive field. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. She started in the mailroom, but she's been moving up the food chain rapidly and now manages her own department. In the tech industry, innovative ideas can quickly propel you up the food chain. To get better deals, we need to talk to someone higher up the food chain in the company. While up the food chain is a popular phrase, there are variations and related expressions that convey similar meanings. Phrases like climbing the corporate ladder or moving up the ranks share similar connotations but might be used in slightly different contexts. It's important to choose the one that best fits the scenario you're discussing. Understanding and using the phrase, up the food chain, can add a dynamic layer to your English communication. It's a metaphor that captures the essence of progression and hierarchy in a vivid way. Whether you're discussing career moves, social status, or competitive strategies, this phrase can help you articulate the concept of advancement effectively. We hope this video has been informative and enriching for your English language learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.